Foshan Coretamp Packaging Machinery Company Limited is located in New Lighting Source Industrial Base, Nanhai, Foshan City, Guangdong Province, China. As the advanced packaging equipment manufacturer, we devote ourselves to providing solutions for product packaging, which is rely on technology to provide packaging equipment solutions for customers. We are a manufacturer specializing in the R&D and production of packing machinery, which promote the development of packaging industry. We have many years of production experience on flow pack machines, vertical packing machine, and fully automatic feed system. It is widely used in food, hardware, industrial, plastic, paper, chemicals, agricultural products, daily necessities, disposable supplies, and so on. We try to according to ISO 9001 management system. Our product acquired CE certificate. Our company boasts a comprehensive marketing and after-sales service network. About 60% of their products have been exported to many countries and areas, such as USA, Brazil, Russia, Thailand, India, Britain, Colombia. From now on, we will continue to enhance the development of consciousness, promote innovation ability to adapt to a wider range of customer needs. We will keep devoting our mind to providing the most suitable packaging machine for different clients' demand in both national and international area.